Hey guys, I'm Brandon with Kobelco Welding of America, and this is the WELDER'S BS. I'm the BS, Brandon Spurlin. When disaster strikes, the connections holding a building together become the last line of defense against catastrophic collapse. SidePlate connections revolutionized seismic engineering. They're parallel plates that transfer forces during earthquakes, preventing failure and saving lives. But fabricating them can be challenging. Look at this space. You're wedged in here, trying to get in position to produce the best weld possible. But there's no room for you or error. The fumes and the heat begin to pose a real health risk. On top of that, your back's killing you, and you're stopping and starting constantly because you can't hold position. With traditional dual wire MIG, a 1 3/8 inch fillet weld takes roughly 4 hours of work time. You can only weld 2 to 3 layers before distortion starts working against you, forcing you to stop, pry the plates open, and then continue welding. One beam requires constant rotation and can take up to 5 full shifts to complete. But now, with the Kobelco ARCMAN Portable, the only fully automated solution for side plate welding, you can waive all of the distortion issues goodbye. It only takes 2 teach points. The ARCMAN Portable automatically detects the groove, sets optimal parameters, and executes a perfect fillet weld with no programming required. Yeah, you heard me. No programming. It produces faster weld times. That same 1 3/8 inch fillet weld, it's only 1 hour and 10 minutes with the portable unit. Nearly 3 hours saved per weld. It has superior precision, welding at lower amperage, roughly 280 to 330 amps, instead of 500, meaning less distortion and a clean cascade finish. It generates faster production. One beam with 12 side plate welds, the portable unit saves 36 hours, completing it in 1 to 2 shifts instead of 5. And your team stays safe. No prolonged fume exposure, no contorted positions, reduced distortion, all while one operator can run multiple units. This isn't just a tool, it's a solution. It's the only fully automated welding process that can tackle side plate fabrication in tight spaces, making your project safer, faster, and more profitable. Kobelco Welding of America and the ARCMAN Portable, your partner for complete side plate automated welding.